Okay, so for our next problem here, the water heater is not heating on propane. So first of all, let's go take a look and find out where that is. I'm not entirely sure on this particular model. And it may be in a spot that is nearly inaccessible, considering that there's space down the side. Spider, 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 spider. I don't think Spider-Man would be at home here. The water heater's probably in between there or at the back, so looks like I'm gonna have to go around. Okay, found the water heater, like I said, in between the slides. Amidst just absolute forest of spiders. I feel like friggin' Frodo in here, man. Or Harry Potter, take your pick. Either works for me. Both great series. I mean, I might have an idea of potentially what could be wrong with this heater. I see potentially some webs in there. Okay, so the small issue with this one is just due to the inaccessibility. I literally have to go through somebody else's campsite to get to the back of this trailer to get here because there's no other way around. So I gotta turn this on and then I guess listen for the clicking inside and see what happens. I don't have any way to actually set up the camera here either, so I could review it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna run around back inside or see if I can find a way to get here quickly. And yeah, like there's just no way. Well, you know, maybe if I get more freaking spiders out of the way, man. Alright, I'm gonna sort something out here. I mean, look at this. There are spiders everywhere. I don't know. You know, I'm not scared of spiders, but I certainly don't like the little mother So I got another control board, and gonna wire it up here one-handedly, of course. Now it is a used control board, so I actually don't know if this one really does work. I think I took it out of a water heater that had like a blown tank. But we're about to find out right now. Hold on, get this plugged in. Let's fire up. Okay, it's not ticking, so it's detecting the flame. It seems to be staying lit. So now I know initially I did say I thought it was spiders, because when you see all the spiders that I have seen around here, they do tend to cause issues. Sometimes they can get in there and make homes and block up your mixing chamber here, and can also block up your combustion chamber. So that can be an issue. But in this case, I think we've determined that it's the control board. Other than, let's just see, just for shits and giggles, because maybe this fuse is just blown. It does not look like this is a blown fuse. I'm going to go with the control board issue on this one. And then, so what we'll do is we will get a quote for the customer and let them know, and then replace the control board. So that's about as simple as this problem was. Simple, yes. Unfortunately, these control boards don't have any way to like replace the relay on there because they're potted. Otherwise, that's something I might, do if I was able to, but we can't. So in this case, it would be a whole control board. So we'll quote that out for the customer and see where they want to go, which I'm sure they're going to likely say yes. So yeah, that is, all that needs to be done to get this up and running again and heating again. I'm going to let that just heat up and make sure it does get fully hot and is, runs through a full cycle and works properly. But otherwise, I would call this wrapped up here. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. Once again, give me some ideas of what you'd like to see, and I'll see what I can do about it. If you got any specific questions, by all means, definitely ask. And down in the comments. I do, and I didn't mention this in my other videos, but I do also have a Facebook group, which I'll link in the description. Actually, I think maybe I did mention it, and it's probably where most of you guys are from at this point. But I'll link it down there anyway for everybody. So please share the videos if you find them useful, and that really will help me out a lot. Thanks for watching.